Oh, drag race. Well, folks, I'm from Netcruzer RC. I'm at CTSR The Rock for the 2024 Off-Road Championship. Alright, this is going to be Mini Truggy A-MAIN, A2-MAIN of 4-wheel drive Mini Truggies. Now, there's a lot of Technos in here, but there's also some, you know, Maid Associateds, which use a stadium truck rear end and some different X-ray front end, I think, on the Associated Mini Truggy. Just the arm? Okay. Alright, here we go. Mini Truggy A. Deamon Holon in the lead and Lamy in second. So that's a Techno in front by a Serpent driver and an Associated in second. He's getting away. Oh, it's close now. It's close now. Oh, he got stuck. Whoops, sorry. Holon got away. Lamy got stuck on the wall. 2. There's a leader change. Lamy in the lead now. Oh! Hit the wall. That's why they put it there. They can't cut it. Oh, leader change again. Oh, drag race. Oh. They got one more? What's the timer like? I don't know. Here we go. And a little kiss at the end. Well done to Damian Holon, winning Truggy A2-MAIN. He's the young lad up top there, standing tall on his stoop. He's fast, he's super fast. Great job. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new or subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.